Did you know that the average American spends over 4 hours a day watching TV? That's more than 60 days a year glued to a screen. And with streaming services, smart features, and endless content, our TVs have become the centerpiece of our living rooms. But here's the problem. High-quality smart TVs often come with a hefty price tag. Enter Elon Musk, the man who revolutionized electric cars, space travel, and even social media. Now, he's set his sights on your living room with a new smart TV priced under $179. You heard that right. Under $179, and it's finally here. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the price. In a world where 4K smart TVs can easily cost you $500 or more, Musk's offering is a game changer. For less than $179, you're getting a TV that promises to compete with the big names in the industry. But how is this possible? Well, it's no secret that Musk is a master of cutting costs without sacrificing quality. Think about Tesla, how they've made electric vehicles more affordable over time. The same principle applies here. By streamlining production and leveraging existing technology, this smart TV delivers premium features at a fraction of the cost. Now, let's dive into the features. This isn't just a budget TV, it's a smart TV designed for the modern viewer. It comes with 4K Ultra HD resolution, which means crystal clear picture quality. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite Netflix series or watching the big game, every detail pops. And it's not just about the visuals. The TV supports HDR10, so you get richer colors and deeper contrasts. Imagine watching a sunset scene in a movie and actually feeling like you're there. That's the kind of experience we're talking about. But what really sets this TV apart is its integration with Musk's other ventures. If you're a Tesla owner, you'll love this. The TV seamlessly connects with your Tesla account, allowing you to control it through your car's touchscreen. Imagine pulling into your driveway and having your TV turn on automatically, ready to pick up where you left off. And for those who use X, formerly known as Twitter, the TV comes with a built-in app that lets you scroll through your feed or watch live streams directly on the big screen. It's not just a TV, it's a hub for all things Musk. Let's talk about the operating system. The TV runs on a custom OS developed by Musk's team, designed to be fast, intuitive, and ad-free. No more waiting for apps to load or dealing with annoying pop-ups. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate. And it comes preloaded with all the major streaming apps: Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, and more. Plus, it supports voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your TV without even lifting a finger. Now, you might be wondering about the design. After all, a TV isn't just about what's on the screen. It's also about how it looks in your home. Musk's Smart TV features a sleek, minimalist design that fits perfectly in any modern living room. The bezels are ultra-thin, giving you more screen and less frame. And it's lightweight, making it easy to mount on the wall or move around if needed. The remote is equally impressive, compact, ergonomic, and packed with just the right amount of buttons. No clutter, no confusion. But here's the kicker. The TV is eco-friendly. In true Musk fashion, sustainability is a key focus. The packaging is made from 100% recycled materials, and the TV itself is energy efficient, consuming up to 30% less power than similar models. It's a small but meaningful step toward reducing your carbon footprint, and it's something you can feel good about. So, who is this TV for? Honestly, it's for everyone. Whether you're a college student looking for an affordable upgrade, a family wanting to enhance movie nights, or a tech enthusiast eager to dive into the latest innovation, this TV has something for you. It's a rare combination of quality, affordability, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up in one sleek package. Elon Musk has done it again. He's taken an everyday product, reimagined it, and made it accessible to the masses. This smart TV isn't just a piece of technology, it's a statement. A statement that high-quality entertainment doesn't have to come with a high price tag. And at under $179, it's a statement that's hard to ignore. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to upgrade your TV, the wait is over. This is it.